Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about Muhammad, Muslims, and cats. Muslims hate dogs because they believe dogs are najis or filthy, but they do love cats because they believe cats are clean. And also they believe Prophet Muhammad loved cats and even had a favorite cat named Muiza or Mueza. Today, I'm making this video just to debunk that kind of myth, debunk that kind of stories, because they're not true at all. If you go to this website, hadithanswers.com, the question is there any authentic or sound narration supporting that Nabi's, prophets, favorite cat was named Muhiza? The answer is, I have not come across any narration in any primary source or any secondary source which states that Rasulullah had a cat called Muiza. There you go. Not in any primary nor secondary source. Because actually, if you read Hadith, you will not read anything about how Prophet Muhammad loved cats more than any other animals. You will not read that. You will not see any of that. Today, I want to show you that is a myth, and I want to show you why Muslims love cats. The answer is very short, but before that, I want to show you several hadith regarding cats and dogs. Why? Because I want everyone to see that cats and dogs are actually pretty much equal in hadith. Let us take a look. Sahih Muslim, hadith number 2242a. Nafi reported from Abdullah that Allah's Messenger said, a woman was punished because she had kept a cat tied until it died, and she was thrown into the hell. She had not provided it with food or drink, and had not freed her so that she could eat the vermin of the earth. So this woman tortured a cat, and she was thrown into hell. Now, Al-Bukhari, hadith number 3321, narrated Abu Hurairah. Allah's Messenger said, a prostitute was forgiven by Allah because passing by a panting dog near a well and seeing that the dog was about to die of thirst, she took off her shoe and tying it with her head cover, she drew out some water for it. So Allah forgave her because of that. This is about a prostitute and a dog. How she was forgiven by Allah after saving a dog. Before I continue, I want to show you how stupid hadith is, right? Remember I was talking about hadith last time? Look at this. The story is about prostitute and a dog. And the name of the chapter is If a Housefly Falls in the Drink. But the name of the book is Beginning of Creation. Yep. This is how crazy Islam is. My goodness. Let us continue. This is from Muwatta Malik, book number 2, hadith number 13. I will start reading from Abu Qatadah. Abu Qatadah was visiting her, and she poured out some water for him to do wudu with. Just then, a cat came to drink from it. So he tilted the vessel towards it to let it drink. Kapsha continued. He saw me looking at him and said, are you surprised, daughter of my brother? I said, yes. He replied, the Messenger of Allah said, cats are not impure. They intermingle with you. Yahya said that Malik said there is no harm in it unless one sees impurities on the cat's mouth. Well, first of all, you cannot really see bacteria or virus just by looking at the cat's mouth. But anyway, so there is also another funny hadith actually. It says cats are not impure because these people are worried if I can do wudu from a water or a bowl which cat had drank from. This is funny. Why? Let me show you the next hadith. Sunan Abu Dawud, hadith number 66, narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri. The people asked the Messenger of Allah, can we perform ablution out of the well of Buddha, which is the well into which menstrual clothes, dead dogs, and stinking things were thrown? He replied, water is pure and is not defiled by anything. So funny how people asking whether it is okay to do wudu from this bowl because the cat just drank water from it. While another hadith from Sunan Abu Dawud, it says water is pure and is not defiled by anything, even by dead dogs. So whether it's dogs or cats, no problem. Even dead dogs will not make it impure because water cannot be defiled by anything, according to Prophet Muhammad. Let us go to the next one. Look at this. This is from Sunan Abu Dawud, hadith number 72. If the cat licks a utensil, it should be washed once. If a cat licks utensil, it should be washed once. Why am I showing you this? Because of this hadith. Sahih Muslim hadith number 279d. Abu Hurairah reported, the Messenger of Allah said, the purification of utensils belonging to any one of you after it is licked by a dog lies in washing it 7 times, using sand for the first time. So I know it's different. Licked by a cat 1 time, licked by a dog 7 times. But regardless, you should wash still. I mean, I doubt these people in Makkah or Medina, they used soap. Probably they just use with water. Even soap was invented long before, but not everyone could afford one. That's why. So whether it's once or 7 times, you should wash. So it doesn't matter if it's licked by a cat or by a dog, you have to wash it. So there's no difference. Now, I want to show you why Muslims are obsessed with cats. Because of this guy, Abu Hurairah. Yes, you have seen his name many times in hadith. Abu Hurairah means father of a kitten because he was so attached to cats. He loved cats so much. So it is not Prophet Muhammad who loved cats so much. It is Abu Hurairah, one of the companions of Muhammad. And you know how story, changes. After a while, story changed, and nowadays, they believe it is Prophet Muhammad who loved cats. Well, actually it's not him. It was one of the companions. And really, you cannot find anywhere in Hadith or Sirat Rasul that Prophet Muhammad had a cat named Muiza. Nowhere. It just all myth and lies intermingled. And then becoming a story that spread from mouth to mouth without any, it's not based on facts, without any proof. Anyway, that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching and listening. Whether you love cats or you hate cats, whether you love dogs or hate dogs, whether you love both cats and dogs or hate both cats and dogs, God bless you all. Have a nice life.